there, I'm Dory from the blog This Full Life 5. We've been busy working on our kitchen, giving it a budget-friendly makeover. So far, we've refinished our floors using a stencil from Cutting Edge. We've also given our island a shiplap look, and we have given our countertops a budget upgrade with instant granite. You can check all 3 videos out on my channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about our sink. I was really hoping for a farm style sink, but it just wasn't in the budget, so we chose to give our current sink a makeover instead. It only cost about $35, and today I'm going to walk you through that process. Here's what the sink looked like before. Years of disgusting grime and just gross stuff, and it was looking pretty nasty. We did some research and we landed on this product from PPG, Toughest Tile, to resurface the sink. It was only $35, which is a lot cheaper than replacing your sink. And our sink was cast iron, so it's solid. It just needed some help. Eric removed the sink and set up a place to work on it inside because according to the directions, you can't use the product in excessive heat. Oklahoma in July, I think that qualifies. There were several steps to the project, and you need to be prepared to be without your sink for 3 days. There's a lot of drying and curing in between the coats. So you need to start by cleaning your sink, and I mean really cleaning it. Eric used steel wool to help remove the grime. Follow the instructions included in the box to clean and prep the surface. If you're not removing your sink for this project, you'll want to tape it off so you don't get any product on the surrounding surfaces. Now you're ready to begin applying the product. You're going to brush on your first coat in a thin, even layer. The thin layers help to ensure that there are no drips. Once you've brushed on the first coat, you need to allow the sink to dry for at least 3 hours, but don't wait longer than 6 before applying the second coat with a new brush. They recommend not reusing the previous brush because there may be leftover particles from the first coat that could appear on the surface of the sink. So get a new brush and apply that second coat, and then you'll repeat this step for the third coat. Once you've applied the third and final coat, allow the sink to cure for the full 48 hours. Don't rush this part. We had company coming in town, so we reinstalled the sink and started using it a few hours before the allotted time was up, and it hadn't completely hardened. And now we have a few spots where it's kind of tipping off because it wasn't completely ready. So definitely take the time and let it cure for the full amount. The sink still looks great. It looks so much better than it did before, and we're really happy with the results. Just make sure you read the directions completely before starting this project to make sure you have everything that you need to complete the project. So here's what the sink looked like after. We love how the sink turned out. I highly recommend doing this if you are on a tight budget and you can't afford to replace your sink. This was a great option for us for this time. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you'd like to see some more projects, check out the blog at thisfulllife5.com, and we'll see you soon.